Nissan has unveiled its new Kait mid-size SUV in Brazil with plans to export the model to more than 20 countries beginning in 2026. The Kait is set to replace the Kicks play and will compete with established rivals such as Hyundai Creta, Volkswagen Tera, Fiat Pulse, Chevrolet Tracker and Renault Kardian. The SUV is built on Nissan's V platform, which also underpins the first-generation Kicks. Positioned as Nissan's new entry-level SUV in South America, it measures 4,304mm in length, 1,760mm in width and 1,611mm in height with a wheelbase of 2,620mm, dimensions that closely match the P15 Kicks. Boot capacity remains unchanged at 432 litres. In terms of design, the Kait adopts updated styling while retaining the familiar silhouette of the Kicks. It features split LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, a larger grille with horizontal slats, a wider lower air intake. Much of the body structure, including the sloping roofline, is carried over. At the rear, the SUV gets sharper tail lamps and bold Kait branding on the tailgate. Inside, the Kait comes with a black-themed cabin. The dashboard layout is largely familiar but includes redesigned air conditioning vents and a simplified gear selector. The rear seats offer a practical 60-40 split folding function. Feature highlights include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 9-inch Pioneer touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a wireless phone charger. Additional equipment includes upgraded upholstery, automatic digital climate control, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Powering the Kait is a 1.6-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine producing 110 horsepower and 146 Nm of torque. The engine is paired exclusively with a CVT transmission, focusing on smooth and efficient performance. Nissan claims a fuel efficiency of around 11 km per litre in city conditions. According to the company, the Kait will play a key role in its Latin American lineup, sitting below the new Kicks and supporting Nissan's strategy to expand in high-demand SUV markets.